guys. We got some cichlids right up here on this little runoff. Ooh. I think I threw it right on him. Let's see. Ooh, nice. And they fight so hard, guys. Pound for pound, these guys are. Oh yeah. Look at that one. A little smaller. Colors on those things are so pretty. So pretty. Come on. Straighten out this up a little bit. Yeah, man. I'm just throwing it right over there. Just letting it sit. You gotta be quick with these guys. They're trying to get up right up under them rocks. Sun's chewing on it now. So. And he got me in the rock right as I was talking about it. Let him go. I have to pop him off. There he goes. He's out. Let him swim. Let him swim. Look at this little thing. And this was the guy that got me in the rock. Good bait size. Also bait size. And it sits. Right in the little stream over there. Some big ones. Oh, there's the small one. I don't want that 80 big one. That'll go away. So funny, you can see these little guys. Oh, there they go. They're coming back. Practice your casting. Ooh, that was right on. Oh, that's a big one. Patties over there, dude. There we go. Nice. Nice. Came up right up on it. Yes, sir. Number 3. Come on, you gotta let me get my hook back now. Sometimes you'll catch them coming out and they'll be chasing it down. good spot right there. Whew. Ooh, too small. Yeah. I'll take a couple of these. Catching bait and catching dinner, catching bait and catching dinner. They don't get no better than that. Yeah, a couple more of these little small guys here. Yeah, these Mayan cichlids, but they is no joke. They will fight you. They definitely will fight. They fight hard. See if I can catch something on that. back down there and check the other holes here in a second. Just want to keep trying in these little holes right here, man. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, is he going back? You deserve it. Oh, big boy. There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Alright, let's go check this.